How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, I am excited, and I hope that you turn up the volume if you cannot hear me, to show you the my review of the Linux Mint 21.3 Edge edition. Now, I really like this, so let's do this. All right. Now, one thing I like about it is that this is cinnamon. Okay, this is like the newer cinnamon. Cinnamon is like grown. Beautiful desktop, and you can change your background. It gives you lots of options, and it gives you options and pictures and photos from other past desktops that you can pick from as well. So you don't have to give up your favorite photo. Alright, and that's one thing I really like about it. Now, this version of Linux Mint, I'm just excited about it. And the reason I'm excited about it is because of what's under the hood. That's right, what's under the hood. But before we get that, let's check out. You can see that this is like the desktop. See all the accessories that you get, okay, that you can click on. Beautiful, your graphics, and you can always add more stuff. Okay, this is just the basic that comes with it when you install it, or you're gonna use it on the DVD without installing it. And I tell you what, it comes with a calendar, ebook editor, and ebook viewer. It comes with an array. It comes with a full office suite, which I really like that. I really like the full office suite. Beautiful. Libre Office, which is free. Okay. And they do accept the donations. I love like their default video media player. It's awesome. Okay. And their Office Suite is compatible with Windows Office. So that's a question a lot of people ask me. And they give you access to your whole entire system in a very simple way. And there's ways to install, apps with ease. Okay? You can go from the, Software Center, or you can use Snap. And as you saw right there, you can see everything running on your system. If you want to click, you can go to administrator, you can install printers. Alright. And what I really like about this version is what's under the hood. What's under the hood of this Linux Mint 21.3 Edge is the 6.5 kernel. The kernel is 6.5. It's the latest kernel. One of, or close to the latest stable kernel. Okay, and it has all these updated drivers for new and old hardware. Okay, so if in the past you tried to use Linux and something didn't work, that probably won't happen with this edition. But remember, it has to be Edge. Okay, and I'm just excited about that. Also, I can imagine there's really going to be a boost when it comes to gaming. Okay, now it comes with its own simple firewall. So simple to set up. All right, now I really think this is a beautiful desktop. I really enjoy it. It comes with its own Thunderbird mail, so you can retrieve your mail. Okay, and you can use different type of desktops. You don't have to use Cinnamon. I'm using the flagship Cinnamon. I've tried it out, and I fell in love with it. Okay, it's smooth, it's simple. Now this is also Hypnotic is a free streaming service. That's right, it's a free streaming service. You can stream news not only in your country but other countries. Okay, I have tried it in the past and it worked, and it's all legal. Okay, you can stream movies in different languages, not just in English, and it's just awesome. Okay, when I tried it in the past, I loved it. I actually watched a couple movies and watched some news. It was it really worked. Okay, all for free, and it comes with this. All right, and I tell you what, one thing I like about this, I think that they did a great job. And I'll tell you, if you do decide to try it, okay, even if just trying it from the DVD, you can you can order a DVD. The easiest way is to order a DVD, okay, and I'll try to put links in the description box below so that you can click on and order yourself a DVD and try it out yourself, okay. And of course, if you know how to burn ISOs, you know how to burn that to a DVD, or if you know how to put it on a thumb drive, you know, you can do that. But that's really a lot more techy than most people want to deal with. They rather just buy the DVD, okay? And I tell you, please support Lennox Mint. They're doing a great job. Now, I appreciate you all watching. This next segment is for my subscribers. All right, I'm gonna be doing a little ranting. Okay, RANT, rant. That's right. Uh, I am really upset on the games that Microsoft is playing. Okay, if you have an i7, they're not allowing you, even with an i7. Okay, the latest is the i9. So even with an i7, they're not allowing you to run uh, Windows 11. Okay, and you have to understand, Microsoft can allow that if they want it. They can make a light version of Windows 11 that would allow you to run that if you had an i7. But what they're trying to do is they're trying to strong arm the American citizens, because they have deals with all these other hardware vendors, and they're trying to force them to buy new computers. And if you notice out there in the world, inflation is crazy. Okay, inflation is crazy. No one really can afford to be buying a new computer. They have to feed their children. All right, have to feed their families. Have to take care of their partners. They have to, some people have to take care of their parents. They can't afford to buy a new computer or go in debt to buy a new computer just to satisfy Microsoft to get Windows 11. They can't do it. And what really made me mad is when I found out, and you can fact check this, Microsoft is going to train 1 million people from East India that know nothing about AI. They're going to train them and have them get certification so they can work for Microsoft. Okay? They can make money and work for Microsoft. But they're not doing it for American people, but they expect us as American people to support them. Alright? And they're trying to strong arm us and force us to go in bankruptcy to buy a new computer for Windows 11. Now, here's a game changer. Of course, you got Lennox Mint, my favorite. Alright, especially the Edge edition. But you also had another operating system that's coming on the market that's scaring Microsoft to death. And it is called Chrome OS Flex. Now, Chrome OS Flex is going to be awesome. You'll be able to use all your Chrome apps. You won't be able to use Android apps, but you will be able to use all your Chrome apps. Okay, and yes, that includes your your software that that you use for work, for writing, your office software, and Now, this is my opinion. If they do this one little thing, they're gonna scare Microsoft to death. What is that one little thing? If Chrome OS Flex implement the ability to install Wine, WINE, or Crossover by CodeWeaver, okay, so that you can run some of your Microsoft, your Windows apps and games on Chrome OS Flex. I tell you what, that'd be a game changer. All right, and if you don't know what Wine is a free application that you can use on Linux. Okay, they allow you to use many, not all, but many Windows apps, applications. All right. Yes, it does, and it also lets you use a lot of some Windows games. Let you play some Windows games on Linux. Now, if they implemented that on Chrome OS Flex, it's a game changer. I mean, Microsoft Windows is already nervous about Chrome OS Flex anyway. But if they implement the ability to install Wine and Crossover by CodeWeaver, it's on. And if anybody could do that, it's Google. All right. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see your comments. And ask you to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes. And share it. Okay, because Windows 10 security updates end in 2025. And now you know you have an option. And you don't have to play the game that Microsoft Windows have always played, trying to strong arm us as Americans and force us to spend money we don't have. Make our families sacrifice just to make them profit, and then they give full education to another country, so those people in those other countries can make money by working for them. The way I say it, what's good for the goose is good for the gander. All right, and I should wrap you later. Peace.